Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got another Food Pantry haul for you today. It's New Video Thursday.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, I went to the local food pantry at the Greater Food Depository, and check out what I got. I've got some different items. Check this out. Yes, we are going to start from the left all the way to the right. All right. We've got a ton of sauce and diced tomatoes for spaghetti. Look at this. Some low sodium traditional pasta sauce, some no salt added diced tomatoes, and some spaghetti sauce at the bottom. This will make a nice spaghetti. Then I got 2 dark red kidney beans, 2 cans of black beans. Oh, and I got some good tuna. Oh, let me get that in focus. Come on now. There we go. Chicken of the sea. Finally got it in focus. Chicken of the sea, chunk like tuna. We got some collard greens, some refried beans, la preferida. Those are really good. 2 1% milk, 2 containers that is, and the old standby macaroni and cheese. And as you know, I do not use their packet. I make my own cheese sauce. Then we got some Uncle Ben's risotto, roasted garlic and butter rice. Then I've got another 2 things of non-fat dried milk. That's good. We got some pink salmon. I am going to make my lemon salmon pasta for you guys. And then I got some cut green beans. I feel a soul food buffet coming on. Oh, some whole kernel corn. Some sliced peaches. Those are so good, frozen and mixed up into a smoothie. Oh. Or you can also make a peach pie. Let's jump over here. We've got packages of ketchup. Yes, these are handy. Especially if you have them in your car. Oh, yeah. I did a fast food review today on Wendy's. You'll see that. I also got some sweet potatoes, a whole bag of them. We're definitely doing a soul food buffet with some candied yams. Oh, yeah. We got some spaghetti to go along with all that spaghetti sauce. Then look back here, nieces and nephews. We got some great pops. We've got a cola. And then we've got this LaCroix. I love those. Peach flavored LaCroix. Then we've got these pops everybody's been talking about. The Ollie Pop. I got classic root beer. And cream soda. 2 of each. Then I got a polar seltzer. I've never tried this. Pink apple lemonade. Oh, I'm trying that. I bet that's good. I got a 0 sugar. What is this? Protein muscle milk. Oh, yeah. Then one of those little barrel juices. I think it's great. You know, like for the kids. This is cool. Oh, some cooking oil. I needed that. And some limes. Yes. Then I got some radishes to go in the salad. Oh, yeah. Pinto beans. A huge bag of rice. Enriched premium long grain rice. You know what? You could do rice and gravy. Liver and rice and gravy. That would be so good. Am I the only one that likes that? I know other people must like that. Then we got some shish kebab. That's chicken breast. Yep. And then we got some, what is this? Fajita mix. I think it's chicken as well. Or fish. I'll have to see when we thaw it out. Then we got some chicken thighs. Oh, yeah. And then over here, we got some corn flakes. Kids love those. Some peanut butter and jelly. And then back here we got some toiletries. Some calming body wash. Let's see, what is this? Visa's vegan body wash. I don't know what the scent is. Oh, water lily. Water lily, yes. We got some paper towels. And some toilet paper. That's cool. Now, you can make a whole lot of meals with these ingredients right here. I mean, you can go to town. From your ketchup to your dried milk, frozen peaches. Once again, nieces and nephews, this is going to be a food pantry run. I'm giving food to someone else. But I'm giving you some ideas of what you can do with this. Now, if you have any questions, I want you to ask me what you can do with this food. Write down below what recipes you want me to make. And if you want to see that lemon pepper salmon dish, I'll show it to you. It's a wonderful creamy sauce, lemon pepper flavor. And when you put the salmon to it over the top of the linguine, heaven. Heaven, okay. My hair. I want you guys to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. Give me a super thanks or buy me a cup of coffee. Whatever you can do to support the channel and spread me around. Watch me as many times as you can. Okay? We've got some surprising, wonderful videos coming up this week. I think you're going to really like it. We're going to take a look at Chicago and see what it has to offer. And also see where some of these food pantries are that I go to. Oh, you ever want to see where they are at? Well, I'm going to show you. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, and don't be afraid to go to the food pantry. All right? All right. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.